Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review the ordinary niacinamide 10% serum. The quantity is 30 ml and the price is 550 rupees. This is available on the Nykaa Amazon and this is non-sponsored video. Let's see the ingredients. Niacinamide, vitamin B3. It reduces the appearance of the skin blemishes and brightens the skin. Next ingredient is zinc PCA. It regulates the excess sebum production. This serum contains 10% concentration of niacinamide, which is very high. Also, the serum targets textural irregularities, dryness, dullness, visible shine. This is water-based serum. You can use in AM and PM routine. Do the patch test first before use. This is made in Canada product. How to use this? Apply 2 to 3 drops on the cheeks and forehead, then pat till fully get absorbed. Follow up with the toner moisturizer, and if you are using in the morning, then sunscreen is must. Here is my review. I have oily sensitive acne prone skin. I have exhausted whole bottle of it. This serum foams up whenever I applied it. I had tried in both way. First on the dry skin, but it foams up. So next time I apply toner like rose water, then try 2 to 3 drops of this and pat it dry, but still foams up. Consistency is not that watery, it's gel like, quite thicker, feels quite tight, means your skin will feel tight, little bit drying, strong formula. It tingles on the broken skin and wounds, so avoid those areas. Little bit hydrating, quite costly if we consider the performance. Never get any discount on this brand. Didn't impress with this formula and product. Fading the dark spots, but the results aren't that visible. Overall, I didn't like, so I will not buy this again. Many foreign skincare influencers loved this product, but I didn't found any difference after using whole bottle, just extra thing. And many dermatologists says don't go above 5% niacinamide. It may sensitize your skin, and that is actually true with this kind of formulation. It's way too strong. They should provide the 5% niacinamide for beginners. I'm already used the 10% niacinamide from the minimalist, and only that is effective to fade the dark spots. That's why I am able to shift on the 5%. But if you found 10% is too high for you, then please avoid this. And try to share your favorite niacinamide serum here in the comment section below. You can also share your thoughts about this ordinary serum. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.